Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. Now today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my experience of cruising on international waters for the first time ever. I honestly didn't know that cruising was such a big thing abroad, but now that I've experienced it for myself, I know exactly why people love it so much. Of course, the destinations that you get to visit on one cruise, I think that is just the most beautiful part. On the cruise that we went, we got to visit 9 new locations. Of course, the places were stunning, but we also got so many new experiences with those locations. And I think lastly would be the convenience. Once you've boarded your cruise, all you need to do is sit back and relax. Everything is taken care by the cruise because the cruise basically has everything that you can think of. We were cruising on the Norwegian cruise line and it literally had restaurants, cocktail bars, an arcade, casino, spas, pools, water slides, gym, and even a Starbucks. And this is just to name a few things. My mind was honestly blown. A little bit more about our cruise. We were doing the Caribbean cruise by NCL and these were the different locations that we got to see in the span of 10 days. Our starting point was Miami. So we did fly all the way to USA to cruise. And oh my god, it was so worth it. I can't wait for you guys to see this vlog for yourself. I think it's only fair to start the video by doing a room tour of our stateroom on our cruise. Okay, so let's get started with our room tour. So as soon as you enter, we have our bed, which is a pretty good size bed and it's very comfortable. And then here we have the little area where you can use it as a desk or a dressing table. So next to the bed, we have 2 side tables which are very handy and then a pretty decent sized wardrobe, I would say. I've of course organized everything so that I'm ready for the next 10 days. My side table has all of my necessities right here. It's a really good sized mirror, which is great for me. And as you can see, I've organized all of my stuff right here. This right here is gonna be so handy to me. We have the coffee machine here as well. The phone in case we need to call for room service or ask any kind of questions. And we also have a cute TV. There's lots of storage. So here we have our mini fridge. This is a little snacks cabinet and then more storage right here. And then we have this comfy sofa right here. And then the main part is the balcony with the most beautiful view of the ocean. I don't know where we are, somewhere in the middle of the ocean. 2 chairs with a little table, and this is our view right now. This is a spot which we're going to use a lot, I can already tell. On the right side of the bed, we have a full-length mirror, which is very important. And then this door leads us to the washroom. The bathroom is a really good sized bathroom, I would say. That is the shower area. Again, we've made ourselves very much at home. Yeah, and that was the tour of our stateroom with a balcony. I'm going to consider this as my first day. We woke up so early thanks to jet lag. Got a beautiful sunrise. Today is going to be a really fun and long day. I'm so excited for today. I'm gonna go get ready and see you in a bit. It's time for breakfast.
Yes, we've been up for quite some time and we are starving. So let's go. So this is where we're gonna have our breakfast today. The Garden Cafe and Bar.
What do you have for breakfast, Adi?
Pancakes, onion pakoda, omelette, fruits, bread, and the second round will be desserts.
I'm actually surprised that you have fruits liye.
Yeah, that's my healthy intake of the day. Ho gaya,
so I have a yogurt bowl right here. I have an omelette, of course, and then I have my favorite bagel with cream cheese. First sip of coffee in the morning. We're all ready and guess where we are?
We are at Puerto Plata in the Dominican Republic.
It's a new country, it's a first port And yeah, we've already booked an excursion.
Yes.
It's a walking tour of sorts. 3 hours ka hai. And
exploring the city, the cultural heritage and all of that. You can book these through the cruise
app
itself. Through the app or through the cruise itself, yeah.
It's so colorful.
I hope everyone can see the change in the outfit.
मेरा ड्रेस फट गया.
Direct zip se.
But it's okay. We found a cute cover up that I'm gonna
overpaid, but
overpaid of course.
ज़रूरत था अभी तो क्या करें.
But we spent a few hours in a new country. बहुत मजा आया. The country is so colorful.
It's very
and vibrant. Yeah. Exactly. People are very, very nice, and we got to experience little different parts of the country. Of course, not the whole bit. Ekdam chota
4 hours you can't expect to see a full country.
Correct.
But from what we saw, we liked it. It's a nice chill country.
मजा आया, काफी मजा आया. By the way, this is their port, and it's so cute. I mean, look at it. By the way, you do also have the option to not go for a shore excursion and just chill or do whatever you want to do basically. But for today, we decided to like take a proper tour, a guided tour. But you can do whatever you want to. And I feel like even just hanging out on this port would have been so nice. It looks so chill and so cute. That's our ship right there. Back to the cruise. Okay, so we just got done meeting our captain Ashutosh, who's an Indian. He's from Delhi, so बहुत ही cool था वो. And we might be able to go over to the bridge to check out how everything works, which is going to be fun. But बहुत ही formal meeting था, so obviously it seemed a little inappropriate to whip out my camera and vlog everything. I'll pop up a few pictures of myself from the evening. But yeah, that's basically it. बहुत ही अच्छा था. Now we're gonna go to this really cool place. I don't want to talk about it. I'm just going to directly show you what it looks like.
I work here 6 hours every day.
Oh my god.
I cannot feel my ass anymore. Basically, all of the 3 cocktails are based on a Sky vodka.
Cheers.
That's strong.
I'm shivering.
-27.
-27? So we couldn't vlog a lot because it was so cold.
Super cold.
-27 degrees. How was your experience?
It's a really great experience. I mean, you have to do it once because there are very few ice bars all over the world. So obviously it's a different experience. I don't know if it was a good idea to do this with my cold, but we'll find out.
No, it was I think so much fun for me at least.
Yeah, it was fun.
मुझे personally उतनी ठंडी नहीं लगी somehow. I was just removing my gloves बार-बार. But other than that, I was fine, and it was so fun.
Definitely, you need to try.
Yeah, for sure.
Good morning, guys. We woke up to this being sent to our room by the ship's general manager. Here you go. Tart breakfast in bed.
Good morning, guys. Thanks to our jet lag, we're up again super early, but it's a good thing. We usually wake up early, get our work done, and then we get ready for the day. Okay, so we are all ready, and हम आए हमारा favorite garden cafe में breakfast करने के लिए. Today there's rajma and puri. Every day there is an Indian option, but आज मेरा favorite है. And Aditya is eating his favorite pancakes every day.
Me and my pancakes against the world.
Okay, so our tour has begun. It's called Rum, Sun and Salsa. So basically starting off with like a walking tour. We're walking around Puerto Rico, and everything again is so colorful. That's green, that's yellow, we have blue. It just keeps going. That building that you see right here, the yellow one, is the thinnest building in the new world. It has everything, kitchen, everything, functioning building. Salud. Salud.
Washington. He's a good dancer.
So we just got done with the mojito making and our salsa class.
Yes, we still have one more thing to do, which is taste the piña colada,
which is their national cocktail.
Yes.
I don't know if we're gonna make it. I think we're just gonna taste it like an authentic,
no idea.
yeah, authentic piña colada. But yeah, that was so much fun.
Salsa dancing was fun.
Initially we were a little awkward, but I
then,
think
yeah,
we
by
got
the
it.
end of it, we were good. I think.
Aditya ka to बहुत compliments मिले for his dancing skills, which are great anyways. But yeah, it was fun. It was something very different. I think it's so cool to say that we did a salsa thing.
Dancing in Puerto Rico.
Exactly. Authentic piña colada. I think Aditya's gonna like this more than me. I'm not a big piña colada person anyways. One second. Cheers. Yeah, I think Adu would also really love it.
I would love it.
So back in a cruise which is quite empty because everyone's back in Puerto Rico on the port. So we have the ship basically empty. But we're just gonna go find some lunch. Right now we're walking from the casino, which is shut right now because obviously everyone's outside. But it's a pretty big casino.
Yeah.
काफी चीजें करने के लिए. I believe almost the entire floor is the casino.
Half the floor, I think.
Half the floor.
And the rest half is the restaurant, I think. Yeah.
And since it's December, entire ship is like decorated for Christmas. Very, very pretty. There are lots of like Christmas trees everywhere. बहुत ही like festive vibes there, and it's looking very pretty, especially at night. So we've made it to Oshaheen's for lunch, but Aditya is more interested in the riddle quiz that's happening downstairs. What's the current riddle?
I make billions of dollars selling windows. Who am I?
बोलो क्या answer?
I think Bill Gates.
So downstairs is where it basically happens.
So यहाँ पर रोज कुछ ना कुछ ऐसे चालू रहता है गेम शो या तो कुछ या तो मूवी ऑन दिस स्क्रीन. So अभी there's a riddle competition going on जहाँ पे लोग बैठ के आंसर कर रहे हैं.
Anyway, back to lunch. So we have artichoke dip with some chips and some loaded nachos. I'm skipping directly to dessert. So we have this apple pie, which I saw a lot of people eating and it looks so good. Aditya के अंदर का geek एकदम ही निकल के आ रहा है. Are you back to 10th standard, Aditya? Comment down below if you know what flag this is, guys. We'll continue. So Aditya came second.
Yes, the guy who came first was at 19 points out of 25. I was the second at 12 and everyone else was below 10 because the flags were really difficult.
Oh, so tough. Anyway, the next thing that we have is a Latin class. So basically, यहाँ पे every 30 minutes कुछ ना कुछ it keeps changing.
Yes.
I think we've done a class. We're done.
No, dancing
enough for
day
today.
is done. बस हो गया.
There are lots of things happening. So we're gonna go check out our newspaper and see what we can do next. This is so cute. So this is literally everything that you can do
In the day today.
And it like changes literally every like 15 minutes, 30 minutes.
Half an hour अलग-अलग programs होते ही है.
So there are people from different ages on this cruise and we just spent like half an hour bonding with people in their 80s.
Yeah.
And they were so sweet. I feel like we've been really bonding with people who are much older than us and it's been so nice. So yeah, I think we're having such a good time. We're still figuring what to do next. There are so many things to do, so we need to figure what to do next.
So we are at the balloon twisting workshop.
Before we begin, today,
Of course, I'm the one who's posed him here.
you can find us.
Wait, I'm so confused.
Your height, how many did you get?
Aditya.
20. Oh, all right. You know, everyone else managed to be 20. 20 out of 40.
Aditya in all the contests. So today finally is going to be a beach day.
Welcome to St. Thomas, the US Virgin Islands.
Oh my god, this is exactly what I wanted. And guys, take a moment and look at Aditya's plate. What? Basically, whatever you want. There's a huge variety to choose from. Yeah, it's a very typical American plate. Yeah. So whether you want something like this, or if you want something like this, like a nice tom yum soup. And there's more, guys. What Aditya's dreams are made of.
Pistachio mousse, coconut cake, raspberry mousse and jelly.
Plans for tonight, the best kind of plans. So I've been getting Aditya to watch Gossip Girl. So that's what we're doing, catching up. We are on season 4, episode 8. And we have some yummy chocolates. We'll probably call for some room service. And that's it.
Good morning from Antigua.
So today is going to be in complete contrast to yesterday, because yesterday हमने बहुत chill किया by the ocean.
Yes. And today we have a very adrenaline-packed day.
Exactly. Today we have a canopy tour, zip-lining tour basically, wherein we're going to be zip-lining through the mountains, I guess.
The forest, over the forest.
Over the forest. Let's go. Look at the view. This is where we're going to be zip-lining. Unfortunately, we don't have a lot of footage, but it was so pretty, and lost count of how many zip lines we went through.
Some 13 or 15 zip lines.
Yeah, and with like each zip line, it got faster, tougher, and longer, and it was fun.
Full adrenaline rush.
We're back to our cruise, and this is our POV. Actually, this is our POV. While we sip on our drinks. So Aditya को I think कोई trivia में या किसी में तो ये free cards मिले, deck of cards. So we thought, why not? We just got back. It's very hot, so we're like trying to calm down. So while we chill and sip on our drinks, क्या खेलेंगे? और अब आदित्य मुझे फोर्स करके लेके आया है मूवी देखने. So every day there's a movie that gets premiered here, and today it's The Marvels. So Mr. Aditya couldn't resist.
It's a Marvel movie, of course.
So I think we're just gonna watch a few minutes of the movie. Yeah, few minutes or for lunch. Okay. And during breakfast, I eat all of my fruits and nuts. But there are lots of like vegetarian options to choose from at every restaurant that you go to. But yeah, that's what we're doing. We're just quickly grabbing our very late lunch actually. And then we have our, what do we have?
Bridge tour with the captain.
With the captain. We're going to be going into his quarters almost. And we're going to be seeing how he operates everything.
Who eats salad for lunch?
What do you mean? I love it.
Ghas please.
We just ordered some pretzel bites and they're insane.
So our straight room is the second last in this corridor, and every time we enter the corridor, Maddie has this urge to run. Just run. ऐसे?
You have to follow.
अरे how will I follow?
So it in fact is another port day, a very windy port day. But unfortunately, I've woken up with the worst body ache, and I did have a fever last night as well. So instead of cooping up in my room, which by the way feels very cozy and is very tempting, I'm gonna go out and try to do things that make me feel better, because there are a lot of things on the cruise itself which can be very like relaxing and calming. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. Step one is to go and grab some soup, because I know that's gonna instantly make me feel better. So I have a big bowl of noodle soup with lots of vegetables and a big bowl of salad as well.
Guess where we are going? Of course, to get a massage.
Just an excuse. So, but this time around I'm getting a different one. It's a bamboo massage, and Aditya's getting the hot stone massage.
Yes, I've already gotten it once, but once more.
We just got done with our massage, and the massage was so nice. It was very different, the bamboo massage. It's like nothing I've gotten before. I would say I like to get a lot of massages done, and I've gotten a lot of different types of massages done, but this one was very different. वो लोग literally आटे को जैसे गूंदते हैं वैसे वो लोग मुझे bamboo से they were like rolling me out, and it did feel so nice. And now as you can see, we are here at the thermal suite again, just to kind of take a sauna, a steam, maybe dip in the hot tub as well. But I wanted to tell you guys, because I just saw this right now, the Mandara Spa has so much more than just massages. So there are different types of massages, facials, all of that, but they have acupuncture, so like them sticking needles in you. That's really cool. There's an IV lounge. That's really cool. There's a proper salon where you can get your hair colored, cut. You can get your nails done as well. You can get your teeth whitened as well. How cool is that? And there are treatments for wrinkles. Basically, when you're here for 10 days, there's a lot that you could possibly do. Another beautiful sunset. The vibes today are vibing. Also check out that pink house or hotel that Aditya just pointed out. All ready for the evening. My hair looks so nice, and I also, by the way, feel much better. So yeah, let's go have some dinner, very early dinner.
Our dinner for tonight is at the bistro.
So these are restaurants that you need to make a reservation at, and we have a reservation for tonight. We're at this very fancy restaurant called Le Bistro, and Aditya is लगता है by hearting the menu. कुछ समझ में आया क्या मंगाना है? थोड़ा. I think there's a lobster dish that you could maybe have.
Every time they offer the bread service in a restaurant, Maddie asks for some olive oil, and then she starts with the olive oil, salt and pepper.
You love it as much as I do.
Yeah, but बनाती तू है ना, so.
चाह नहीं रहा है. खत्म हो गया क्या? Cheers. But you've got to cheers to something.
Cheers to our good health.
While we sip on champagne, cheers to good health. Soup number 2 for the day. I'm doing a mushroom soup today, which is one of my most favorites. Aditya, what have you ordered right here? A salad?
No, I thought the whole dish is going to be just be these fried balls. But this salad ke saath aa hai.
So you have to eat the whole thing. You have to be healthy today.
देखा जाएगा.
No exaggeration, but I think this is probably one of the best, if not the best, mushroom soups that I've had.
क्या बात कर रही है?
It's so good. To try कर. Oh, thank you. What do you have, Aditya?
Sea bass with some potatoes, zucchini and pesto.
The desserts look so nice.
Especially mine.
Not like you made it, but okay. The highlight for the night have to be the desserts. Aditya loved his dessert. I loved my dessert. It was so good. Now, we are going again to the theatre But tonight we're going for a mentalist show, which Aditya has been so excited about, and I'm also actually very excited about. So yeah, that's where we're gonna go now.
Whenever you feel the time is right, you're gonna gently bring it down and cover it up so you don't even know what color it's on. I told you I want to give you all a feeling of what it'd be like to win millions of dollars.
6.
If you hear your number said, I need you to please sit down.
Hello from St. Martin. I am so excited for today because number one, I feel amazing, not tired at all, and secondly, this port is so beautiful. I mean, just look at the color of the water. It's so pretty. And today we have a really cool shore excursion, which is we're going to be exploring the entire area on a horse. We're going horseback riding. It's going to be such a good day. This looks so fun. Look at the horses in the water as well. Out of nowhere we have a pig as well. And it's raining, yes. I don't know how did this happen. In like 5 minutes the weather changed. Look how beautiful! Oh my god! Now it's time to go into the ocean with our horses. Just got done. बहुत ही यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस था, आई मस्ट से.
मजा आया बहुत. व्यूज तो बहुत सुंदर है,
वेरी ब्यूटीफुल.
बट हमें घोड़े हमारे पर्सनालिटी के हिसाब से मिले. मेरा एकदम स्टबन, सुनेगा ही नहीं, जिसको जो करने का वही करेगा, और ऑब्सेस्ड, मैडी के घोड़े के साथ ऑब्सेस्ड, मतलब उसको जरा सा भी स्पेस नहीं रखने का.
स्पेशली विथ माय हॉर्सेस बम.
अरे भाई घुसे ही जा रहा है भाई, छोड़ना उसको. 2 मिनट का तो रास्ता रखना ही, उसको पूरा हाफ वे अंदर घुस के रहना.
And my horse was an angel, so well behaved and
वो
disciplined.
ये रुकेगा और ये मेरा वाला चल देगा उसके अंदर आगे.
But it was fun. A well-deserved drink. So we're back, और the best thing यहाँ का ये है कि at every point कुछ ना कुछ खाने के लिए है. So we've skipped lunch, but there's high tea happening, which I've heard has a lot of options still. So yeah, we're gonna go have a very late lunch. Could you tell we were hungry? Just look at our table. By the way, there's more coming up. There's getting more. And guys, there's dal chawal today. In general, the Indian food is bomb, but today it's so good. Another day, another trivia. What trivia? It's a movie quotes wala trivia. And Aditya thought that he would get all of them. If it was Bollywood, you probably would though. Maybe a few is covered. We didn't do very well, but we did get this list of movies that we want to watch. Take a screenshot of this because these are kind of like cult classics that we haven't watched yet. We're here for dinner and we're having Brazilian cuisine, which we've never had before. What have you ordered, Aditya?
I don't know. It's like I think they have a lot of selection of meats, like beef, pork, chicken, which they'll keep getting to your table. So we told them कि हम सिर्फ chicken खाते हैं. So let's see what they get.
Just take it.
Thank you.
Another day.
Of missing Adu and me.
Yeah.
And video
they're
calling
in
them.
Singapore. Long distance relationships.
Oh.
today is our last day at the sea. We have one more port to go, which is happening tomorrow, which is
The Bahamas.
which is what we were so excited about when we saw like the ports that this cruise was covering, and when we saw Bahamas, we
like,
were
wow.
instantly sold. So yeah, basically आज हमारा last दिन है, and we're gonna try to cover everything that we haven't been able to cover. This morning we, by the way, already went to the arcade,
Yes.
which Aditya was so excited about since day
Great
one.
arcade, guys.
It's a very big, very like pretty arcade with lots of games. So we had a good time there. We've had breakfast today, and I don't know now what do you want to do?
Oh, let's roam around the ship, I think. Find
So,
more things to do.
We definitely need to go on the slides
But those open at the...
at 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock, yeah.
So we're just waiting for that to happen. I think maybe we could just go to the pool. In the
Maybe.
meanwhile, I don't mind going in the pool. It's
There's a
such
hot
a
tub as
nice
well.
day. I mean, yeah, sure. I'm in. 6'8".
Yeah, 6 feet 8 inches का depth है. This is a proper adults only pool. Once she gets in the water, she does not want to come out. But I told her we need to get on the slides, so she needs to come out.
I don't know why, but we're going there. I'm not the biggest fan of water activities in the sense like slides and stuff like that.
मजा आता है.
Aditya तो definitely जाएगा. I might chicken out.
So I'm off to the water slides. देखते हैं कैसा निकलता है ये. So these are at quite a height. I think I must have climbed like 5 flights of stairs, and still one more to go. But I think the view from here is killer. Wait, I'll show you. Okay, time to wear the strap and go on the slide. I'll let you guys know how it was.
How was it?
So it's nice, a little bit longer than I would have expected, but I think maza hai, it's fun. You can definitely give it a try.
In the meanwhile, me chilling on a sunbed.
Maddie's just chilling in the hot tub.
We figured it out.
Yes.
Switch it on. The vibe at night is so nice. I think you guys can see. During the day also बहुत अच्छा है.
Yes, but रात को लोगों lights वगैरह जो करते हैं ना, बहुत मस्त vibe.
Vibey. It looks very vibey and feels very vibey. And also gets a little bit less crowded during the evenings.
Yeah.
Our newest obsession lately has been playing cards. We've been doing it pretty consistently. Today, what are we playing?
Rummy.
And मैं already 2 round जीत चुकी हूँ.
अभी तो पहला गेम है जहाँ पे सीख रही है खेलना.
We are all ready for dinner. And guess where Aditya's taking me for dinner?
To a seafood restaurant.
I don't eat seafood for context.
मिल जाएगा, I
But
think.
that's okay. Yeah, I'm sure there are lots of other restaurants. So Aditya loves seafood. So we're gonna go eat there. And then we'll go to another restaurant. This is our second last dinner.
Yeah.
We're almost towards the end of it. How do you feel about it?
A little bit sad because I had gotten used to this.
Yeah.
It's a fun life.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, initially I thought that 11 days would be like more than enough. Ekdam pet bhar jayega. But now that we're like on our
Yeah.
second last night, we're like
I could do with another like a week or so at least.
another week.
So this is the blazing shrimps.
Okay, so this is my main course. We have a cauliflower steak. Don't laugh at me, okay? I like it. What's the issue? And then my favorite asparagus, which I actually love. And then here we have some potatoes as my side. That's Aditya's main course. What is it?
Platter. Some fisherman's platter.
Fisherman's platter, yeah.
So, did you enjoy your dinner?
I did actually. It was so nice. In general, I really like vegetables in general. So I really liked the gobi. I really liked the asparagus, the potatoes with the cheese. Question is, what about you?
So I really liked the seafood here. The first dish, that was the blazing prawns. Too good. And even after that, the platter, amazing. So I thought obviously like seafood, so this was
Is
like,
your heart full and stomach?
this was like a amazing dinner for me.
Yeah, Aditya's most favorite thing in the world to eat is seafood, so I'm sure you loved it. We are in our tender boat and we are going to
The Bahamas.
I mean, we're already in the Bahamas technically.
The island.
But yeah, we're going to the island right now and it's so exciting. We've been waiting for this day.
So, what are we doing today at the Bahamas?
So we are going to be swimming with the pigs. I know it sounds very random, but it's actually not. You know, like how in Thailand they have monkeys on the beach, and then in Aruba they have flamingos on the beach, and Bahamas they have pigs on the beach. So it's kind of like a thing, and I've been seeing it on the internet for years, and I love animals in general. So I think it would be so cute to like have little pigs and piglets around us. I'm excited. We made it, guys.
So we made it to Great Stirrup Cay, which is the Norwegian Cruise Line's own private island in the Bahamas. So basically they have like the full freedom to do everything here, and it's very well made as per what their customers wanted, and you can clearly see it's very pretty.
And there are lots of bars. There's a beach.
All your cards that work on the ship, basically you can get everything, like the food, beverages, everything here. धूप में भी इतना ठंडा कैसे ये पानी भाई बर्फीला ठंडा है ये
आदित्य ठंडा पानी जस्ट कम आदित्य आई थिंक हम इतना ही रहने वाले हैं पानी में That's it. But it's a gorgeous beach. It's so beautiful. It's nice. Oh, it feels so good. So dramatic you are.
सूरज भी फेल हो रहा है इधर पे क्या है ये इतना ठंडा बर्फ डालेंगे उधर पे देख गाइस बट द क्लैरिटी ऑफ द वाटर क्या है ये कंप्लीट ट्रांसपेरेंट पानी है ये वेरी 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 प्रिटी
I need to understand what is transparent पानी ट्रांसपेरेंट ही होता है
अरे मतलब ये बीच पे रे
Agreed. It's the most clear water that I have ever seen. Like even more than Maldives, I would say.
Yeah, I agree.
It wouldn't be fair to spend our last day without a trivia. Aditya's very focused with his buzzer. He's not even gonna look. Aditya.
Alright, keep an eye out with those buzzers. Let's see how far.
Of course, the vlog cannot be complete without us telling you guys our favorite parts. Aditya, go first.
So my favorite part of the whole cruise was the food. The food was amazing everywhere, especially teppanyaki. That was like a fun dinner that I had.
Yeah, that was your favorite for sure.
That was my favorite dinner. And I think the ports that we went to, the Bahamas, Puerto Rico, all of those, like just waking up in a new city every single day was something different, and then going around, walking, exploring the city. I think those were the things that made the whole cruise very special, and I enjoyed my time there.
So I think just the fact that we were in the middle of the ocean, that was like such a sense of peace for me, because I'm such a like water baby. तो ये मेरे लिए इतना high moment था ना कि मतलब मैं पानी के बीच में रह रही थी for 11 days. But other than that, I really liked how everything was so seamless. Like in terms of their management, like right from our boarding, deboarding, every activity that was happening, every port, like there was no inconvenience anywhere. Like everything was so smooth. And also my another favorite would be the people. They're not only the staff, everyone was so nice, very hospitable, but also the actual people who were there for the cruise. We made friends with so many older people, and we've shared so many conversations with them. So yeah, I think that was my favorite part. Okay, with that we have come towards the end of today's vlog. We are in Mumbai after
a 19-hour long flight.
It was a long flight, but we came comfortably, so I'm glad about that.
Yes, but we are here only for a 4-hour pit stop because after that we again have to go to the airport for another trip जिसका vlog you'll see on Mridul and Aditya, so don't miss that.
It's gonna be such a special trip. Like, I'm so excited for that one. But yeah, make sure that you subscribe to Mridul and Aditya for that. Okay guys, that's it. Subscribe to the channel, like this video. We really hope you guys enjoyed watching because we had such a good time. A very different experience for us, and we're so glad that we're able to share this with you guys. So that's it. See you.
Bye.
Bye.